So we ended our project by writing and appending the lists into our CSV file. In this project, we learn how to use pandas to read CSV file and create a class for students and create two def and comment for it, sum and final. We also learn how to use classes in for and then use the classes to create list and append them to our CSV file. Now we are going very well. The classes are more harder than you think, but it's easy and enough for now. I just forgot to tell you something. We can also change the classes scores. Say here, you can change them so easily. For example, let's have for fun, we change something about these classes for you to see. We can make every number larger or lower, but now this is the end of this project, and for fun, for you to see, we can do this to our data frame without using even a final or some comment. How? We just say how we could call the columns the final. Let's see if we can call it by this way. Okay, we can't call it this way. Let's go up and see how we call them. Def dot def dot for example French and def dot final is we can call them like this. Def dot final divided by 10 is equal to list. And if now we print list, it's giving us this column divided by 10. It's really easy to work with pandas, but maybe I do some courses on Excel too, and it's good to know how to use Excel and CSV files too. It's good. You can check your number and see if your answers are true or not. This is the end of project. I save it as always, and what name it? Okay, we don't name it, rename it. Just save it and close it. If you have any questions or any project that you want to write, you can ask me and we write it here. And for your knowledge, we write this project 0 to 100 in these videos, and I don't do anything that I didn't show you in the video. Even the searches and the files are done in this video. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's making me really happy to know you like my video and be it useful for you. I'm sorry for my accent and some grammatical mistakes I make in speaking, but I'm not really easy with English. Have a good day.